it's our problem, right? It's an internal problem. It's an Indian problem. And the solution is going to come from inside. It's not going to come from outside. However, the scale of Indian democracy means that democracy in India is a global public good, right? It impacts way further than our boundaries. If Indian democracy collapses, in my view, democracy on the planet suffers a very serious, possibly fatal blow. So it's important for you too. It's not just important for us. We'll deal with our problem. But you must be aware that this problem is going to play out at a global scale. It's not just going to play out in India, right? And what you do about it is, of course, up to you. But you must be aware that in what is happening in India, the idea of a democratic model is being attacked and threatened.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, हेलो, हाय, आदाब एवरीवन। दोस्तों, मैं आपका दोस्त शहबाज खान। आप देख रहे हैं TNT न्यूज और देखते रहिए TNT न्यूज। थैंक यू।